Living. A person who has experienced the bloodiness of the world detests that bloodiness, just as a person who has experienced poverty detests poverty. It is common for man to experience hardships in his life, but man wishes to have no worries. He lives not knowing that everything in this world consists of worries. It is common that man not know the future. Everyone tries to know it, but they live unable to see or sense the future. Life is joyful when it is not life. Likewise, there is no point in knowing the future. I beseech you all, do not live bound to anything, but break free from pain, sadness, from everything. Do not create humanly delusions, but live following nature's flow. Return to nature's flow.